Hi, I'm Dr. Phoebe Eng, a physiotherapist. Physical activity is essential for your child's development. From birth, movement helps them grow stronger, explore the world, and develop emotionally. And the best part, when done together, it is a great way to bond. Today, we will explore easy and fun ways to be physically active with your little one and how you can be their role model for lifelong active living. Moving with your child isn't just about exercise, it's a chance to bond, explore, and have fun as a family. Physical activity benefits your child in so many ways. It helps to develop motor skills, grow intellectual capacity, enhance social abilities, and support emotional well-being. Even simple movements play a crucial role in strengthening their muscles and bones. Babies from birth to around 12 months benefit from at least 30 minutes of interactive, floor-based play each day. For newborns up to around a month old, they are just starting to discover their senses. Gentle movements like bending and straightening their arms and legs or holding their hands while they kick are great ways to introduce movement against gravity and spark their curiosity. In the first few months, your child may not have much of wake time, so you can do this as per baby's tolerance. Setting aside time to do these activities encourages them to interact with the others and the environment. In the first 3 months, tummy time is essential. Placing your baby on their tummy encourages them to strengthen their neck muscles and visually explore their surroundings. Make it interactive by being there, talk to them, make eye contact, or offer gentle touches. When your baby is around 4 to 6 months, they may begin sitting with support. This is a great time to help them practice their sitting balance. Sit with your baby, hold them securely, and gently guide them as they lean in different directions. This works their core muscles as they try to stay upright. Around 9 to 12 months is the perfect opportunity to build leg strength. Hold them securely while they bear some weight on their feet and encourage gentle movements like bouncing, shifting their weight, or taking small steps. From 1 to 2 years old, it is beneficial for them to get at least 180 minutes of varied physical activity throughout the day. This can include outdoor play, walking, climbing, and exploring in a safe space. The goal is to keep them active and engaged. Physical activity isn't just for your child, it's for you too. Make it a family activity by doing it together. Incorporate simple activities into your daily routine, like stretching together, dancing around the living room, or playing simple games that involve movement. Keep it simple. It doesn't have to be fancy. When you move, stretch, and play alongside your child, you reiterate the importance of having an active and healthy lifestyle, which they will carry with them for life. As you focus on making physical activity a fun and integral part of your family life, remember that it goes beyond just exercise. It's about joy, connection, and growth. Every bit of movement contributes to your child's physical, intellectual, emotional, and social development. Play together and enjoy each step of this beautiful journey. You've got this!